Alright, so this review is for the Crowne Plaza, Bonney Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'm in here's a little walkway right here. Got a little counter with some storage space. Could have been a wet bar, but it's not. Got some area right here, hang stuff up, ironing board. So I put the suitcase on, safe. Alright, here is the bathroom. Okay, nice mirror, nice lit mirror. Sink area looks pretty good. So far everything looks pretty clean. Toilet, tub. Okay. I mean, it's kind of tight in here. See how where the door is and the toilet? It's kind of tight, but I mean, so far it's clean. Everything looks good. Plenty of towels. Not a lot of amenities, but hey. So then we go here. Got a nice full-length mirror. Come in the main area. Got a little fridge here. Okay, decent size. Was making some weird noise earlier. Hope that don't happen all night. Got your little area right here. More storage. Nothing's down there. We got ice, TV. TV looks kind of a little old, but I mean, it's all good. Microwave. And got some drawers down here. We got another desk area. You can use computer. Not a lot of places to plug in at. One thing I see is right there on the lamp, but no actual plug-ins. That's not too good for desk workspace area. Another light, heater, AC, nice window, coffee table, little couch area. Got a couple stains on it, but nothing too crazy. Another desk area, lamp, and then the bed. Decent sized bed. I don't know how soft it is. Nothing like that yet. But I mean, it's a decent hotel so far. Seems alright. They have a pool area, they have a restaurant, they have a bar. So yeah, this is the Crowne Plaza, Bonney Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia.